Barbara, this is amazing. Nobody would believe this. This is a wild bird that flew on the patio, and my sister Barbara went over to it, rubbed its chest, it got down on the table, then she fed it some cookies. This is a wild bird. I'm just amazed. It's sitting on her arm, on her hand, and just, it's absolutely amazing. Whoops, I've lost the bird. Now it's back on the table. Let me see. Now it's back on the back of the chair. Oh, it's on Barbara's chair. Just look at it. I can't believe this. Nobody would believe this. I should put this on YouTube. Just look at that. This is a wild bird. And it's actually got its one leg over her finger. Not unless it maybe has babies around here or something. Huh?
I think this is a baby.
That's not a baby. That's a full-grown bird. Oh, now it's up on my umbrella. That is absolutely amazing.
Snoopy. Come here. Right here. Over here. Over here.